I have a brown turkey fig and the fruit goes moldy on the inside before it ripens. Why are my figs not getting ripe? Please help. Fab Ian on YouTube.
Yes.
Brown turkey fig, delicious figs.
Delicious.
Yeah, know all about that.
Gorgeous.
But they're moldy in the inside before they ripen. So what do we think about that?
Well, you know, figs actually ripen from the inside out.
Right.
So they might be trying to let it get, you know, ripe on the outside, but by the time it does that, and it's staying outside on the tree, it's moldy on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
So you usually pick figs and they're still not quite ripe yet. So you want to pull them off the tree before they ripen.
Right.
But you know, it could be a cultivar problem too. It could be that it's too wet there, because wetness, you know, in the ground, the roots, it's not good for figs. Figs like to be on the dry side.
Figs love good, well-drained soil, as we know. Again, we talked about the cultivars. Mm-hmm. Some take a couple of more months than others to ripen. Figs do not like any type of stress.
No. Mm-mm.
None.
Yeah.
All right. So I think a lot of what we talked about could be the issue with that. And then too, we don't know what time of the year, right?
That's true.
He's talking about.
We don't know, and we don't know what cultivars he has.
We don't know the cultivars, right? But something else too that delays ripening: cool days and short days, right? Or cool nights, short days.
Yeah.
Right. Can delay ripening. So some things to think about.
It is something to think about. But more importantly, you know, when he needs to start, you know, harvesting them before the outside is, you know, what he considers ripe.
Right. Yeah, just a little bit before it gets ripe. Yeah, I can remember Grandma doing that. Sit it on the counter for a little bit, they'll be ready to go.
Yeah.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.